Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please subscribe to this channel. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Okay, first, let's get into the COVID news. Dr. Fauci said he don't believe that COVID will be a pandemic much longer. He said he thinks the new vaccine will turn it around. But he did say he don't think we will ever get rid of COVID completely, but we will be able to take control over it for the long term. I think we all knew that anyway. I don't think we'll ever see a day that we don't see people wearing masks and stuff. He also said, even though we will have a vaccine, don't let your guard down. He said, still wear your mask and do your social distancing going into the holiday season. Now let me ask y'all, if the FDA approved this vaccine today and you could get it today, would you get it today or would you wait? And if you would wait, how long would you wait? Let me know in the comments what you think about that. If you would wait or would you get it now? As you know, Pfizer has a vaccine that is 90% effective. Russia says they have one now that is 92% effective. I see these vaccines as a win for the whole world. But let me know what you think about these vaccines in the comments below. Okay, lockdowns. We are starting to see more states revisiting lockdowns. Like today in New York, private and outdoor gatherings, indoor and outdoor gatherings, will be limited to only 10 people at a time. And a few other states are starting their own lockdown protocols, I guess is what you'd call it, of their own because of the COVID spikes. Joe Biden is getting his COVID team together, and one of his members of his team is Dr. Michael Osterholm. He is an epidemiologist, and he said that we are entering a COVID hell. He said the worst is coming soon. He also said that the case count will only go up from here if we don't change anything. Y'all, I've been saying this for a long time, and I hope I'm wrong. I pray I'm wrong. But I do see us headed for a lockdown. A nationwide type of lockdown, not just pockets here and there. I think we're headed for a whole nationwide lockdown. Like I say, I pray I'm wrong. This is one time I want to be wrong. But Dr. Osterholm also said we need a nationwide lockdown for 4 to 6 weeks. He said the government could cover all the lost wages and lost business during this time period. Do you believe that? I think we've heard that before, and it didn't happen. The government's not going to cover anything. I mean, in 6 months, we got one stimulus check for $1,200. Did that cover very much? Y'all, please leave your comments below. Tell me what you think about, will the government take care of us? Unemployment news. New unemployment claims for last week, were 709,000 new claims last week. This is 48,000 less than the week before, but it's still very bad. Stimulus news. The White House, this is according to Bloomberg News, is stepping back from negotiating with Nancy Pelosi. They are letting Mitch McConnell take the lead in stimulus negotiations. So the White House has basically given up on dealing with Nancy Pelosi. And we know that Mitch McConnell and Nancy Pelosi will not reach a deal together. And now that Mitch McConnell is in charge, I think the big stimulus package is all but gone. And all we will see from this point on from Mitch McConnell is his skinny anorexic bill. And that will not help the American people like you and me at all. That's only targeted to help big business. Nancy Pelosi is still standing firm on her bigger package. McConnell will not go for that. Now Nancy Pelosi and Chuck Schumer are wanting to spend $3.4 trillion, even bigger than before, on a stimulus package. And they say that that's just the starting point. It could go up, it could go down. Who knows? But Mitch McConnell wants to spend only $650 billion on a skinny anorexic package. Y'all, both sides are going in the wrong direction. Both sides needs to learn how to deal. It's not your way or no way. It's about compromise, something they know nothing about. And it's about the American people are losing everything. And this is something they know nothing about. Or is it they just don't care about? Both sides are pointing their finger and blame to the other side, when in fact both sides are at fault that nothing has got passed yet. They both are just playing games with the American people. The Feds said that Joe Biden can issue executive orders to cancel student loans. And Joe Biden said that he will cancel student loans up to $10,000 as soon as he takes office. Now, there are some others in Congress that wants to forgive student loans up to $50,000. So we'll just have to see how that plays out. But I just wonder, why is it Joe Biden is going to have the power to push executive orders, but Trump did not? I don't see the difference there. Y'all let me know what you think. Why can one president do it, but the outgoing president couldn't do it? Y'all let me know what you think. Okay, one last thought. Nancy Pelosi said on PBS News. We need to stop the circus and get to work and get it done. My question is, how can we stop the circus when we still have all the clowns in office? So y'all, the circus is going to go on. We've got the same people on both sides of the party aisles. The only person that's really changing is the president. Y'all, we will get out of this. Y'all, please watch the video that popped up. If you didn't see last night's late night show with Amy and Walter, please go watch it. If you've never seen one of them, we do it every night at 9 p.m. So if you've never seen it, please go watch it. And if you don't like it, you don't have to come back. But we don't talk stimulus there. We don't talk politics there. We just have a lot of good fun. Y'all, we will get out of this. We just have to keep our faith in Jesus Christ. He will see us through it. I know He will. Pray for our country. Pray for our leaders. Pray for the American people, the ones that's been hurt by COVID, the one that's been hurt by our government. And pray for the healing of our world. If one country does not heal, the world does not heal. Y'all, I love you all. Come back tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. I'm sorry, not tomorrow morning. Tonight at 9 p.m. And just know, I do love you all. Ciao.